Welcome everybody to your week ahead for financial markets. Mike Smith, head of client education, trading and senior analyst at Go Markets, with you to highlight a few things that may move markets in the coming few days. And let's just go through our 5 market moving factors for this week we think could have influence on sentiment. The first thing to say, of course, is that markets are still strong despite concerns. We had a softer day on Friday after that weaker jobs report, that non-farm payrolls coming in about 50,000 weaker than expected. The US indices, having hit record highs on Thursday on the S&P 500, are still looking strong. And looking at the futures today, we're seeing a little bounce in that as well. So despite everything, the markets still look buoyant. Whether that continues may be dependent on the inflation data that's coming out of the US this week. We've got PPI on Wednesday, CPI on Thursday. And of course, with a September rate cut priced in, markets are looking for clues as to what the Fed action may be for the rest of 2025. It could be an interesting post-data market response to both of those figures. And of course, with that softened non-farm payrolls number on Friday, perhaps the US weekly jobs become more important also on Thursday, along with the CPI. So a big day on Thursday, and one that is worth having on your risk radar. Elsewhere, the ECB have a rate decision to make. There is thinking that they are likely to hold steady where they are right now. But again, markets will be watching for telegraphing as to where they may go next. So that press conference subsequent to the decision may be important. Finally, we're going to look at a chart again. Gold just keeps on going higher. New record highs again. Buying in Asia this morning, we breached 3,600, which is quite spectacular compared to where we've been. If you just check out a chart right now, you'll see there that the previous resistance of 3480, which has been in place really since mid-April, was breached on the Friday before last. And throughout last week, we have seen continuation up. X37 looks on the cards in the near term, but potentially even that big psychological number of 4,000 if current trajectory continues. Much may be dependent on the USD, of course, which may be influenced in turn by a couple of the data points that we've already referenced. Of course, we can keep you up to date if you're around and about and able to pop into our live market updates on Monday and Thursday, which stream on YouTube. We'd be delighted to see you there if you can make it along. And of course, our inner circle session on Wednesday, where we have a deeper dive on something relevant to traders at all levels. It'd be great to see you there, either on GoToWebinar or again, that streams directly on YouTube also. And finally, we're always happy to help. So our support team are ready and waiting. If there's anything we can help you with, then please let us know. Have a great week ahead. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.